Alright, so we're going to check out this trade show display case. It's actually made for trade cards. Oh, hey, Jesus, you just made me jump out of my skin. And yeah, we're going to open it up, and if I like it, I'm going to give you a link to buy it. Alright, but it's for jewelry. So I don't know what it really looks like in person. It has some damage. Let's open it up and get to the nitty-gritty of this. Now, there are a bunch of Amazon sellers selling these. This is the small size. This is the 27-inch by 17-inch. And a lot of sellers are selling them. It did say locking. It said locking display case. But there's no keys and there's no locking area. It does have a handle. Let's pull it. You can pull it out. It's a little plastic handle. It's actually looking good. We have to pull this backing off on one side and on the inside as well. But I came up with an idea on how to make this thing lock. Let's do that first before I take the backing off of it. All right, so this can pose a huge problem for you if you're at a trade show and you need to have this locked from sticky fingers and thieves. So I found this on Amazon. And these are actually two-piece. It's a two-piece locking latch, and it comes with keys. And it's 1.61 inches tall. In the description, this said this was like 2 inches big, 2 inches high. We'll see. I'm going to have to check the side to see if this will actually fit. I can tell actually from the front if this is going to work. And yes, it is going to work, but I don't want to screw. It comes with nails. I don't want to have to screw or drill. So, oh, that's my dog. He's playing with his toy. So I got this actual special double-sided tape. It's a really supposedly strong tape. It's the tape that you put on the back of your pop sockets. It mounts dashboard cameras to your dashboard. It's for automotive. It's double-sided foam tape. And I'm going to put a piece in here and a piece in here. And if it's not, you see, because this has a lip, I might have to stack them on top of each other. I'm going to stick it to here. And then we're going to do it on, this side and on the opposite side, right around yay. So this can't be opened without a lock and key. Well, it can be. They could rip the foam off. If you're going to leave this unattended for 15, 20 minutes, a sticky fingers thief will, they'll pull on it. And, you know what I mean? But this will stop them. It'll stop them somewhat. Like under $5. And it comes with 40 of these 1-inch by 1-inch squares. We might have to cut it out with a scissor. No problem. All right, it's not the neatest job, and I scored it down the center because these two are two pieces. I want to put the smaller part on the top where the lid is. You want to get it as close to the front as possible because if not, if you put it from the back, they're going to be able to steal. All right, so once you line it up, you're going to want to hold it in position for 30 seconds. All right, I tested it and it works. It locks the box. Beautiful. All right, so now let's check out the box itself. And I have to unlock this first. This is actually bigger than I expected. 27 by 17. I thought it was going to be too small. I don't know. You could probably fit 20 slabs in here. The thing says 25 slabs. I don't know. But what I like about it is some of these come with flimsy little interiors made out of felt. But this has a nice heavy foam. I don't know if you could see that. And it'll make your stuff, actually, by the way, it has hinges. So this is supposed to stay up. And let me just pull it back. There we go. Oh, yeah, it does. It stays up with these little hinges. I don't know if you could see that. And what I do like this foam. If we have a partition, you can actually make a partition right down the center. And no, I'm not going to use that. But I can actually use this for my jewelry. It's, look, I don't know how you can see the depth on the side. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to take my camera off the tripod to show you. All right, just so you can get an idea of this, the depth, what are we talking here? And I'm going to go over to the side and show you the depth. It has a little bit of a lip. I don't know if you can see that little lip. It goes around. Can this foam come out? And can you put something else in its place or cover this, maybe with pretty velvet? You can. You probably can. I don't know if this can come out. It's probably, yeah, it feels like it's glued in here. Yeah, it's definitely glued down in there, but you can loosen that glue up, and you can just pull that off. But all in all, so far, I really dig this. This was not a bad price. It was about, I think, $70-something when I bought it. But all in all, this is actually, look at this. Look at the size of this. And for aftermarket, you can get a 4-pack of those locks, 2 for each side. It comes with 2 sets of keys. I don't know if you could see that. There you go. And you can just stick it on. You can actually drill it in if you'd like to. It comes with screws. or you can actually use probably some kind of like epoxy glue or something, and then you can have a locking box. The only thing I did not like, the caveat, is that it said that these lock and they don't lock. And that's sort of a bit of a bitch. I'm just going to shut this a moment. I'm going to show you the acrylic. You want to be careful. Now, a lot of people will probably say, oh, it's a piece of crap. I used it for 3 trade shows, and it ended up scratching and what have you. By the way, my puppy always likes to be involved. And but you gotta carry this like a pizza box. I would not recommend using this handle. I don't know. Can you see that? I mean, if you have some heavy stuff in here, just carry it like a pizza box. I wouldn't recommend you stacking these on top of each other unless you can actually save the foam from the box and place it on the top of the acrylic and then maybe stack it. Here, I'm going to just show you really fast underneath. It's a really nice aluminum. And I'm going to save this piece of cardboard too. So if I do want to stack, because I bought 2 of these, if I do want to stack them, I can use that foam that came with the box and the cardboard, and I can stack these on top when not in use. So would I give this a good rating? Let's just stick one of my antique jewels in here and see. We're going to get to the depth of this box and the heights, because in the listings, they're always wrong. But I'm going to see, how does my antique jewels look in here? But you can see, look at the size of this. This is actually big, 27 by 17. Again, here is the height. And we're going to put a measuring thing up to it in a second. Put some of my antique jewels in here. And the lighting is not very good inside my house right now. It's great because I can actually see my jewelry in there. And it has a good backdrop. The fact that it actually has the black on black is really nice and elegant. Let's just pull it out a moment. There you go. And I could put a lot more antique jewelry in here. So if you're looking for something for jewelry, or antique or vintage costume jewelry or real jewels, this is actually a really good thing. It doesn't have to be a card display box or a trade card display box. Okay, there's a multitude of Chinese dealers on Amazon selling these by Tabletop names. When I say Tabletop names, I mean all different brands, but it's the same thing. This particular handle, when you see this black plastic handle, a lot of the bigger ones have brushed aluminum with this plastic, but this particular one is made by all the same sellers, just under a different Tabletop name. Some sellers say this is 2.17 inches tall. Other sellers are saying 1.96. We're going to get to the nitty gritty. And it's about, yeah, it's actually, it said 1.96. Yeah, it's probably just under, it's actually, yeah, they vary. But you might need to know this, you know, for purposes, you know. Here, I'm just going to show you the depth on the inside in case you might have thick items. And as you can see, my jewelry, thank God, is not as thick or as wide as this lip. But with the foam, there we go. I don't know. Can we zoom in? So it looks like 1 and, I'm not sure. I can't hold this and do this at the same time. You just look at the tape measure and you come up with your, here, let's go this way. All right, so 1 and, is that a half? No, oh, ½ inch. Looks like it's about an 1/8. Just under an 1/8. Just over a ½ an inch deep. Then, this way, because we got to factor this in. Let's go ahead. And it's about 1/4, maybe an 1/8. I don't know. You look at that. I'm not a carpenter. Jesus was a carpenter. I'm certainly not. Let me just touch this lip over here. There. So about yay. All right. This is probably the worst review you've ever seen. But, yeah, with the aftermarket, that thing it brought the value up. I'm going to put one on the other side. I haven't done it yet. It's a 4-pack. So I got 2 of these cases. So 2 for each side. And now no sticky fingers can get in here. I'll have a lock on each side. I mean, can someone rip off the foam? Probably. But if you're, you know, if you're just like, you're say you have drug addicts for family members, they're like meth addicts, and you want to keep your kids out of your alcohol money. You know what I'm saying? You have like a 19-year-old who wants to score some booze, and they're like, ooh, let's steal mom's 1850s like a red agate Victorian brooch, and let's take it to the pawn shop for some booze money. My kid is probably not going to tear off the, my kid is probably not going to tear the foam off of the sides of these, on double sides, because then she knows the jig is up. You got what I'm saying? At a trade show, you might want to sit around. You might not want to get up and go to the bathroom and leave this thing there and take the key with you, because some meth addict might be too crafty for you, and they might just pull the foam right off. But there you go. I rate this a 4.5 stars. Actually a 5, because it's bigger than I thought it was. And I love it, but I would have liked it better. I would have probably gave it a 5 across the board if it did come with the lock and key. It said locking display case. They just mean it locks shut. But it doesn't keep meth addicts and sticky finger people out of your things. Thanks, and I'll see you guys all in the next review. I wanted to add, I'm going to put links in the description beneath the video. If you sat here throughout this whole entire video, you are MVP. Give yourself a thumbs up. In the bottom of this description of the video, there'll be the thumbs up. Give yourself a thumbs up for watching. And I'm going to put all the different Tabletop Chinese makers who are selling the same exact shiz, but just under a different Tabletop name in case it goes out of stock. There's the same exact ones being sold all over Amazon. I mean, same. 27 by 17, same handle, same foam inside, same thing, just a different price maybe. All right, see you guys all in the next one.